Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2015 Ford Escape Titanium. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2-liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, a nice dual exhaust, backup camera, roof spoiler, roof rack with rails, and moving to the front, we do have blind spot detection, turn light indicator mirrors, as well as front park sensing and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle also comes equipped with an automatic powered liftgate, which you can use on the key fob. You do get remote start as well, or a button up there, or a button by the drive side, providing with tons of storage. You've got storage cubbies, little hooks, 12-volt, and a light. You can collapse that row if you need more space, and you do get more space with your spare tire as well. And to close, all you have to do, hit that button right there, and it will close automatically for you. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space. You've got your own fans, and a 110-volt outlet. Plus, if you don't need that extra person, this does fold out for 2 cup holders and some arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side, now we can see here we do have powered seats, a nice little storage cubby there. The same leathering we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space with memory seating for up to 3 drivers, and you have your light adjusters on the left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 104,895 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, volume, voice, playback, play forward, and phone. Cruise control settings there, and your toggle for your screen up here, which you can then go through. Trip 2, Trip 1, information, settings, and so on and so forth. Over here you have leather-wrapped gear shift, speed adjusters, heated front seats with the 12-volt, cup holders, and your parking brake, storage right there. With the storage above container, you have a 12-volt SD card, 2 USBs, and your inputs. Moving right here, you have your climate controls, as well as active park assist, park sensing, your liftgate opener, and your main climate's just right there. Up here we have source, hazards, Sony sound system, lock, sound, eject and inject, tune, sync just right up there, storage in the glove compartment. We have our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. And looking at our main screen here, let me just turn that off real quick. We do have what phone's connected, compass, station, and climate, which you can control from here or down there, whatever you prefer. And we also do have our Sirius XM alerts, calendar app, where am I, all that fun stuff, your home again, and your settings, such as all this fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is GA36979B, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.